The teacher by day, writer by night. Every morning, Mr. Limwel stood in front of his class with a bright smile. He taught his students about numbers, honesty, and dreams. To them, he was more than a teacher. He was a friend and a guide. But when the final school bell rang, Mr. Limwel's second life began. He took off his teacher's polo, put on a reflective jacket, and wore his helmet. At night, he became Limwel, the MC taxi rider. Through the busy streets and flickering lights of the city, he drove passengers to their destinations, not for luxury, but to earn a little more for his family and the school projects he often paid for himself. One evening, he picked up a passenger, a mother of one of his students. She was surprised and said, "Sir, you're driving a taxi at night." With a gentle smile, Limwel replied, "Sometimes we have to make sacrifices to build dreams, not only for ourselves, but for those who believe in us." The next day, the story spread among the students, but instead of pity, they felt admiration. One student said softly, "Sir, I want to be hardworking like you." Limwel smiled and answered, "Don't be afraid of getting tired. At the end of every sacrifice, success always waits." From that day on, he wasn't just known as Mr. Limwel the teacher, but as the man who never stopped working for his dreams and for his students' future.